Hi. Okay, just recently I found out how to take the battery door off my GoPro Hero 10. It wasn't easy. Uh, so we push down we open up. We have to get it parallel with the top of the GoPro Hero 10. If you go to push up, you'll get resistance. Now what you do is just carefully, I'll get that closer, carefully unclip. See, it's got those little teeth. They're the ones that you don't want to snap, otherwise you'll be replacing your battery door. Okay, and then what you do, you have to make sure you put your battery door in a safe spot. So what I do is I've got a little Ziploc bag and I'll just place them in there, zip it tight, and that goes in my GoPro case. Now, this is my media mod. Here's my GoPro Hero 10. Now what we do, as you'll see at the top there, you've got an on-off button, and at the top there, you've got your on-off button. So what you do is you slide it into the case. It doesn't need to click or anything, but then we just push that down with a click and voila, done. See, if I can learn, anybody can. Thanks for watching.